good morning everyone. I'm Shafi. Today I'm going to talk to you about something very exciting and futuristic. The exciting world of artificial intelligence and our future. Artificial intelligence, or AI for short, AI is a type of technology that can think and learn like humans. Let's experience how AI is changing our world and what it means for our future. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is when machines like computers and robots are designed to think and learn. They can solve problems, make decisions, and even understand human language. AI helps us do things faster and more efficiently. AI in our daily lives, smart assistants, devices like Siri and Alexa use AI to answer our questions. Their music and help us with tasks. They make our lives easier by understanding and responding to our voice commands. Video games. AI makes video games more fun and challenging. It controls the characters with their hands, making them smarter and more realistic. Online recommendations. When we watch videos on YouTube or show online, AI suggests things we might like based on what we've watched or bought before. AI in the future. Healthcare. AI can help doctors diagnose diseases and find the best treatments. It can analyze medical data quickly and accurately, saving lives. Transportation. Self-driving cars use AI to navigate roads and avoid obstacles. In the future, we might see more AI-powered vehicles, making travel safer and more efficient. Education. AI can personalize learning for each student, helping us learn at our own pace and in our own way. It can provide extra help in subjects we find difficult. How can we be part of the AI future? Learn about technology. Be curious about how things work. Learn code and understand the basics of computers and AI. Be creative. Think of new ways AI can help solve problems. Your ideas could shape the future of technology. Stay informed. Keep up with the latest developments in AI. Read books, watch videos, and talk to experts to learn more. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is an amazing technology. It's changing our world. It helps us in many ways and has the potential to make our future brighter and more exciting. By learning about AI and being creative, we can be part of this incredible journey. Let's embrace the possibilities of AI and look forward to a futuristic future. That's all for me. Thank you.